Alright, today we're going to write equations of lines in slope-intercept form, given two different sets of information. In this first example, we are given a slope and a point. We have to write an equation of a line. Up until now, we've been given the slope and the y-intercept. Very easy to plug the slope in for m, the y-intercept in for b. Now we're given the slope and a point. So what we're going to do here is, given the slope and a point, write the equation. We're going to substitute m, x, and y into our formula y equals mx plus b. So this is m, this is x, and this is y. Those get substituted in. So y is 2, m is 3/5, x is -10 plus b. Second, we solve for b. So here, 5 goes into 10 twice. 3 times -2 is -6, plus b equals 2. So when we add 6, we get b equals 8. Now that we have b and we have m, now we just substitute them in. So recall when we just plugged in m and plugged in b, that's all we're doing now. We have m, which is 3/5, and we have b, which is 8. So y equals 3/5 x plus 8 is our equation. The equation of the line that has a slope of 3/5 and passes through the point -10, 2. So let's look at another example. The point -6, 7, slope of 0. Well, -6, 7 is your x and y. So we're going to take y equals mx plus b, and we're going to plug those in. Y is 7, m is 0, x is -6, plus b. Well, 0 times -6 is 0, so we get b equals 7. So when we write our equation, y equals 0x plus 7, or we could say y equals 7. Either one is correct, okay? Typically, this is what you would see, but if you want to write in the 0x, that is fine. Okay? So there's a couple of you did 2 examples. Now it's your turn. Pause the video, try those, and then we'll go on to the next thing. Now we're going to be given 2 points. You can write the equation of the line, but first you need to find the slope. Okay, so one extra step here is to find the slope. We've done this before, x1, y1, x2, and y2. So to find the slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. -1 minus 2 is -3, 4 minus 0 is 4. So -3/4 is our slope. So step 2, now we are down to, we have a slope and we have a point. Pick one of your points, and it does not matter which one. Okay, it does not matter. I'm just going to choose the first point as 0, 2. So that's my x and that's my y. And then I plug that in. Y equals mx plus b. Y is 2. M is -3/4. X is 0 plus b. Well, -3/4 times 0 is 0. So we get b equals 2. So from there, we have y equals -3/4 x plus 2. And that is our equation. Okay. All right, let's do another example. 2 points. So we're writing the equation of a line that passes through the 2 points. So first we need to find the slope. Okay. Our slope, remember, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2, which is 0, minus y1, which is -2, over x2, which is 4, minus x1, which is -4. Minus a -2 is plus 2. 4 minus a -4 is 4 plus 4, which is 8. So we get 1/4. Alright, now 1/4 is our slope. So take our slope and take one of your points. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to go with 4, 0, just because. That's our x and our y. So we're going to do y equals mx plus b. Y is 0, m is 1/4, x is 4, plus b. 1/4 of 4 is 1. Right, the 4 is reduced, so you get 1 plus b equals 0. Minus the 1, you get b equals -1. So now we have b and we have m. Y equals 1/4 x minus 1. Okay, that's our equation. So now you have 2 examples to try. Go ahead, pause the video, try those, and that is the end of the lesson. Okay, so it is taking, just a recap, taking when you're given a point and a slope to plug in m, x, and y, plug it in, solve for b, so you can write your equation. And then when you're given 2 points, find the slope first, and then you do all the same steps. Okay, so go ahead, get all the U-tries done, and we'll go over this tomorrow.